were fired for not complying. A group of them filed a lawsuit against the hospital. But since that, 98% of the employees at the hospital system have been fully vaccinated. 2% received exceptions or deferrals. And the judge in the lawsuit, she tossed out the case. She said the hospital was just, quote, trying to do their business of saving lives without giving patients the COVID-19 virus. Now, if you measure success here by how many people got vaccinated in the ecosystem of people working at this one hospital system, this worked. A 97% vaccination rate among a single group of people is probably higher than anywhere else in the world right now. And so now other people are running Houston's playbook. Today, both the city of New York and the entire state of California announced that they would require all their employees to either get the COVID vaccine or subject themselves to weekly testing. This new rule will apply to around 340,000 municipal workers in New York City, from teachers to police officers to government officials. In California, it applies to every state employee, roughly 250,000 people, plus 2 million on-site public and private health care workers in the state. The Department of Veterans Affairs also issued a vaccine requirement today for all its health care employees working in the VA health system. It applies to 115,000 frontline health care workers. It is the first vaccine mandate at the federal level in America. Just tonight, the Justice Department has issued an opinion that says federal law does not prohibit businesses or agencies from imposing COVID vaccine mandates. This may encourage more businesses across the country to issue these requirements. Get the shot or don't come to work. There's been a real flurry of action around mandating the COVID vaccine for certain slices of the population, and it is a trend that many medical professionals hope to continue. Today, nearly 60 different medical groups issued a joint statement calling for mandatory vaccine requirements for all healthcare workers in the United States. For many groups on the list, it was the first time they had made such a public endorsement of mandating vaccines, but their reasoning is clear. They write, quote, as the healthcare community leads the way in requiring vaccines for our employees, we hope all other employers across the country will follow our lead and implement effective policies to encourage vaccination. The health and safety of U.S. workers, families, communities, and the nation depends on it, end quote.